Right, with that, let's move on. The Shiv Sena faction led by Uddhav Thackeray has received a big jolt. Two-thirds of the party's Lok Sabha members have skipped a key parliamentary party meet, raising speculation of a possible split. Now, Uddhav Thackeray camp is mulling action on the absentees for defying the party whip. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut has alleged horse trading. He said that 15 crore rupees are being offered to MPs for switching loyalties. Sanjay Raut's charge comes amid reports of 6 MPs of Uddhav faction writing a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla asking to be recognized as a separate faction. Reports say the rebel MPs could merge with Shiv Sena faction led by Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. In a press conference, Raut accused the BJP of threatening to break the Uddhav faction, adding that the threat of ED or CBI will not work.
ये जो लोग आप जिसका नाम ले रहे हैं, ये तोड़ेंगे, ये तोड़ेंगे, ये तोड़ेंगे, उनको लगता है एक बार ये कर चुके हैं। अब मैं कहूँगा तोड़ के दिखाइए। आपको नहीं तोड़ेंगे ना तो शिवसेना आपका बाप, हमारे बाप का नाम नहीं बताएंगे और हमारे बाप का नाम बाला साहब ठाकरे है। समझा? हाँ, क्या खेल लगा रखा है क्या डेमोक्रेसी का? उसको तोड़ेंगे का पैसे की इतनी मस्ती आई क्या आपके पास? हाँ, ये ईडी सीबीआई की धमकी आप किसको दे रहे हैं? हमको? हम जेल में जाकर आ चुके हैं, हम वापस जेल जाने के लिए तैयार हैं, लेकिन आपको सबक सिखा के जेल में जाऊंगा।
Sanjay Raut's comments came on a day when Chandrakant Raghuvanshi, an MLC from the Shinde faction, claimed that the 6 MPs from the Uddhav Thackeray faction have joined the Shinde Sena. However, no formal announcement has been made so far. Let's quickly take a look at who attended the Shiv Sena UBT meeting and who skipped it. The list of attendees included 3 names: Member of Parliament from Mumbai South Arvind Sawant, Lok Sabha Member from Mumbai South Central Anil Desai, and Nasik MP Rajabhau Vaje. The list of absentees included 6 names: Nagesh Bapurao, Sanjay Deshmukh, Sanjay Jadhav, Sanjay Dina Patil, Om Prakash Rajnimbilkar, and Bhausab Vakchure. Together, these 6 MPs represent 2/3 of the Uddhav faction in the Lok Sabha. Now, the number becomes important. Let's understand why. Under the anti-defection law, MPs can be disqualified if they switch party or they defy the party's whip. But there's an exception to this. Disqualification can be avoided if 2/3 of the members of the legislative party agree to a merger with another party. However, remember that the members who skipped the Shiv Sena meet have not yet openly expressed their wish to merge, and all possibilities remain open for now. For more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report. Take a look.
Now, what we understand, a whip was issued by the UBT leadership, but only 3 of the MPs attended out of the 9. Now, the next 24 hours is going to be extremely crucial because, what Uddhav Thackeray decides against the rebel MPs.
Would you like to speak to the media?
Secondly, the rebel MPs did meet the speaker yesterday that they want to form a separate group in the parliament. So, what the decision of the speaker is going to be, keeping in mind the legal challenges, the anti-defection questions and everything. And lastly, what we are also getting to know from the political sources that these 6 MPs are likely and expected to join the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena post 19th of June. So the formalities, of course, is under process, but the eyes are going to be on the speaker's decision regarding the rebel MPs. This is Isha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.